guys? It is Daniel, and I'm back here today to unboxing review the Little Triangle 3-pack GameStop exclusive from Hasbro. Let's get to it. Now let's take a look at the packaging as always. Here is everything else is blue, light blue. And on the top there's a little X-Men icon and little icons as well on the top. Here it says Marvel Legends series, X-Men Jean Grey, Marvel Cyclops, Wolverine, Marvel 88 Years from Hasbro. And here's the QR code if you're still looking for it. And for the back, here are the characters. You're gonna read that. Pause it now. For Cyclops as well. And Jean Grey. And for the figure itself, here's a Wolverine from the Tiger Shark costume. It looks like he has black marks on the top of the mask and one with a clear while he's growling. And one unmasked Wolverine head. And here's, you could put one on the back right here. And he also has bone claws and vibranium claws as well. And for the Jean Grey figure, it's blue, and it's a classic figure, you know, a costume. And the head is as well. It's tied up in the Marvel Cyclops with the brown leather jacket and two accessories where he wears the red glasses, the iconic red glasses. So let's open it up. Okay, so straight out of packaging, we have Wolverine, Jean Grey, and Cyclops. First impressions, I'm really pleased with these figures. When I saw these in the wild, I was like, man, I really have to get these for the channel. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm reviewing them. So let's get to the stuff. I'm a really big fan of the comic-looking suit, especially the leather jacket. Here's the icon of the X logo and his visors. Here's the thing where he turns so he can blast people. The blue, yellow, and yellow boots as well. And these are adjustable. And also these two as well. And also for the Jean Grey, she has this red hair, almost looks like Medusa, and green eyes, and the blue X icon, and everything else is yellow, and this is gold as well on the side of her leg. And for the Wolverine Tiger Shark, I'm a really big fan of this one too as well. I just like how the articulation came out, especially how the battle damage mask looks. Like there's bullet wounds and some hair popping out of the mask on top. And he has this mad facial expression. That's what I like about it. And also he comes with these bone claws as well. And he has black on the sides as well, left and right. And also on the top, and these are adjustable. Shoulder pads are blue, and his gloves are blue as well, and the classic X logo. He has blue and black boots that resemble the mask, just on the top. Now it's time for the articulation. Wolverine can move his head all the way around. He does have double jointed elbows. Same as for here. And he does a little 360 on his wrists. He does have ab crunch. Kick this high, sideways. He does have ankle pivot, double jointed knees. Now for Jean Grey. She does look up and down. She can move her head all the way around. She does have ab crunch, swivel, double jointed elbows, 360 on her wrists. She can get this high, sideways, double jointed knees, and ankle pivot. Now it's time for Cyclops. Cyclops can look up and down, could move his head all the way around. Ab crunch, swivel. He does have double jointed elbows, 360 on his wrists. Could kick up this high, sideways, double jointed knees, and ankle pivot. Now for the height. Cyclops does stand at 6.5 inches tall. And for Jean Grey, she does stand at 6.5 inches tall as well. And for the Wolverine, she does stand at 5.5 inches tall. Now moving on to the accessories. Wolverine does come with these two vibranium claws. They are blue for gloves. You can see little metal pieces right here. And unmasked, it almost looks like a hoodie when you put it on him. Oh, shoot. Also, a clean mask for the Wolverine with a mad facial expression. And also an unmasked Wolverine, classic looking. And for Jean Grey, she does come with this ponytail head. You see half of her helmet. It reminds me of Magneto's helmet. Also for the Cyclops, he does come with these two interchangeable heads. One is combed to the side, one is combed almost over his eye. And I really like the difference of these two glasses. Also, he does come with this hand where he's unlocking the power from his visors, like right here. He unlocks it and then shoots it. Final thoughts. I really think these figures come out really great. I love the comic accurate on the 3 figures. I feel like Hasbro did a really good job. My only complaint is that Wolverine can't really stand. Like if you try to stand him up, he won't really stand as like you want him to. Here's an example. So I really hope Hasbro does fix that in the near future. But all that said, these figures, I'm really pleased with these figures, and I'm really happy to add them to my collection. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give these an 8.5. Hey guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, and also follow me on my Instagram at DanielCFigure. And don't forget, my collection is your collection. Thank you.